Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to build an About Us page for your Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a well-structured page that communicates your brand story, purpose, and core values to your audience. Begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From the navigation panel on the left, go to Online Store, then click Pages. This section contains all your standalone pages, such as your policy pages, contact page, and your About page. Click Add Page in the upper right corner. This opens a blank page editor where you'll build everything in one place. In the title field, enter About Us or another label that fits your brand voice, like Our Story or Who We Are. Next, scroll to the content area. This is where most of your storytelling happens. Start with a short introduction that explains who your brand is and what you represent. Then, go deeper into your background. Share how your business started, what inspired it, the problem you aim to solve, and what sets you apart. Mention your mission and the principles that shape your brand decisions. If you have a team, a founder's message, or important milestones, this is the perfect spot to highlight them. The goal is to build rapport and credibility. Use the rich text editor to make your writing readable. Add headings, short paragraphs, and, if you want, images or a short video to make the page visually engaging. Make sure any visuals you add are high resolution and fit the overall look of your brand. Consider adding links to helpful pages like your contact page or FAQs to guide customers further. Before publishing, review the visibility settings. If you're ready for the page to appear on your website, set visibility to Visible. This makes the page public for your customers. If you're still editing, you can keep it hidden for now and return later to finish it. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your new About page is now created. If you ever update your brand story or want to make changes, just reopen the page from the Pages section, edit it, and save again. And that's all there is to it. You've built a meaningful, brand-aligned About Us page on Shopify. A strong About page helps customers trust you and feel connected to your business. Make sure it's authentic, easy to read, and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.